The following video is brought to you by Online Music Classroom.
First we learn the chords, okay? Page number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chords used in this song, okay? First we learn the easy chord like E major, A major. For the first page means in the lyrics first page, they are using E major, A major, C sharp minor, B major. E, A, B, C sharp minor. The three chords are used in that first page. Like first page means the lyrics first page. Okay, E, A, B, C sharp minor. Okay, first you play the E major, A major, B major, and C sharp minor continuously. E major, A major. First play E major and A major. Hmm? I couldn't able to hear voice. Hello? Say? Ah, okay, now okay. Okay, first E major. Able to hear. Mhm. Ah, okay. Now okay. Okay, next A major. 2, 3, 4. Huh? It's 2, 3, 4?
Instead of 2, 3, 4, can I do 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3 you can do, but when you're going to B major, there also the finger is 2, 3, 4. You see?
How are there two ones?
Huh?
How
Two
are
ones.
there?
The two ones means that is a bar chord. You want to keep one finger, you want to hold the second fret. That is second fret. You want to play in the second fret like this. Yes, like this. Second fret you want to hold like this. This is a bar chord. And you want to play the three fingers. 2, 3, 4. Instead of bar chord, you can play the first string. Okay. Then the first one is E major, and next A major, and next you want to slide the A major to the third, fourth fret. Yeah, play A major. Play A major. No, no. For A major, there is no first finger. Hmm. Okay. Right. For B major, just slide the A major chord to fourth fret. No, I can't hear your voice. It's very. I couldn't able to hear your voice. Now?
Yeah.
Okay. 6-2 bottom. Slide this way. Like this. Okay. Try in slow tempo.
How much?
Tempo 80 is okay. 80 or 90? 90, I think 90 is okay.
From the top, right?
Yes. 6-2 first try.
Okay,
Like,
I get.
okay, slide and play the exercise.
Oh, sorry, I did not lift this part.
Okay, start from the bottom. Yeah, first time. No, no, that's correct. Yes. Again. Again.
Do you want to learn as a beginner to advanced musical skill in a short period of time but not sure where to start? Here comes Online Music Classroom, the place where future musicians come to get inspired. We are expert in teaching piano, electronic keyboard and guitar with a rock solid foundation with a creative step-by-step structured online curriculum. Learn how to perform a live show, compose music, and you will even learn to play some of your favorite popular songs and so much more on your own time. At the end of the course, you will get certificates approved by music universities. We are teaching more than 1000 unique students around the globe. Join Online Music Classroom and get our new course, Voice Culture, for free. Enroll today at classroom.goldsmith.com.